Okay, so you've probably seen this thing online, right? The jelly bed.
Oh, yeah. Hard to miss.
Totally. It just makes you stop scrolling. It looks like this enormous clear gummy bear you can sleep on.
Right. Like bouncy, see-through, and it's got these rainbow lights inside.
Exactly. And the videos show people like jumping on it and it wobbles in this amazing way. It looks impossibly fun.
Uh-huh. We've seen so many of those clips, people bouncing, the whole thing rippling.
Yeah.
So our mission today really is to kind of dive into this. Is this wild viral thing actually, a real product, or is it just pure fantasy?
That's the big question, isn't it? Does this amazing bed actually exist anywhere outside of those videos?
Let's dig in.
Okay, so first, the fantasy part. Because, wow, the visual appeal is off the charts.
Totally.
It's like this perfect candy-colored dream bed, crystal clear, bouncy, just pure fun visually.
And the claims they make in some of those posts.
Right, like hypoallergenic, waterproof.
Uh-huh. Supposedly made of soft plastic with some kind of, gel core inside.
Yeah, sounds very high-tech and comfy, if it were real.
Okay, well, here's the big reveal. And you really need to know this before you go looking to buy one.
Uh-oh.
The jelly bed. It's not real at all.
Seriously.
Not real.
Nope. Those videos, the bouncing, the glowing, it's all AI generated. Pure digital imagination.
Wow. Okay, not just CGI, but AI.
Yeah. Exactly. It's like the AI didn't just make the image, it kind of designed the desire for it, without worrying about boring things like physics.
Huh. And the website, I heard there was one.
There is, but it doesn't actually sell the bed. You can only, send an inquiry, which kind of tells you something.
Okay, so it's fake. But why couldn't it be real? I mean, surely someone could build something like it, even if it cost a fortune. What's stopping them?
Well, practicality, mostly. It would be an absolute nightmare in real life. Several huge problems.
Like what? Give me the main ones.
Okay, first, weight. Just the sheer weight.
Right, that gel core thing?
Yeah. To get that clear, wobbly effect on that scale, you'd need a massive amount of some polymer or hydrogel. So heavy.
Heavy doesn't even cover it. We're talking potentially thousands of pounds.
Whoa.
Think about that. It wouldn't just be a heavy mattress. It would probably destroy a normal bed frame. Maybe even damage the floor.
Okay, yeah. Forget moving it.
Exactly. Moving house. Nightmare. So structurally, it's kind of doomed from the start.
Okay, what else? They mentioned temperature regulation. That sounds nice.
Yeah, about that.
Hmm.
That claim is optimistic, let's say.
Uh-oh.
Think about it. A giant solid block of clear plastic or gel. It's basically a giant heat sink or maybe heat trap.
So not cool and comfy.
Not at all. Gel in real mattresses works because it's mixed into foam or has channels for air. A solid block would just absorb your body heat and have nowhere to put it. You'd basically be slow cooking yourself.
Ugh. Okay, that sounds awful. So heavy, hot. What about keeping it clean? It looks so smooth and clear.
Another huge issue, maintenance. Think about dust, static electricity clinging to that huge plastic surface.
Oh, yeah, I hadn't thought of that.
And keeping it clean, it's non-removable. Imagine trying to wipe down something that big that collects skin cells, spills. And long-term, plastic under that much constant pressure, it would sag, probably yellow, maybe even crack eventually.
Despite the waterproof claim.
Well, yeah, water might beat up, but stains, dust, degradation,
Mhm.
it's just not practical. And the cost, if someone did try to custom make it, easily thousands, probably many thousands of dollars.
Wow. Okay, so it's basically a dream bed that only exists in videos.
Pretty much. It's a perfect example of a viral concept, like brilliant marketing for something that physically can't or at least shouldn't exist.
The AI sold the dream incredibly well, even though the reality is impossible.
That's the key takeaway. You can buy gel mattresses, sure, they exist, but nothing remotely like this bouncy, glowing AI creation. So please, don't try to buy this specific bed. It's not out there.
Right. Save your money.
And it makes you think, doesn't it, about the future?
Yeah.
How good AI is getting at creating these incredibly desirable, completely fictional things.
Yeah, like how do we tell what's a real design innovation and what's just, a super realistic fantasy?
Exactly. It's fascinating and maybe a little scary how AI can sell us on ideas that just don't work in the physical world. It really blurs that line between engineering and pure imagination. Something for you to think about.